guys, Gloria Obo back again. So as you guys know, at this point I've been away from YouTube for like a very long time, and this is one of my many attempts to film a day in the life vlog. I don't even know when you guys are going to see this vlog. Today is about the 8th of March 2024. I know you must have noticed my background have changed. Yes, I moved to a new place, which I do not like. I don't like it, but that's just for another day. So guys, at this point I'm rushing for work. I have a project, I have an event tomorrow I'm supposed to prep for, and I'm late. I just had a bath now. I'm supposed to have been there. My call time was like 2 hours ago and I'm still at home. But then again, like I said, haphazard attempt to film a vlog. So I just had a bath now and I need to get dressed. So for today, my time for today, I woke up in the morning, I prayed. And after I prayed, I ate, just with my sister, talked about my life, and now I ate this apartment and I cannot wait to leave if eventually, but that's just for another day, like I said. Then I went to get my nails done. See my nails, I got my nails done. So at this point I'm a red nail girly, so I'm living in my red nail girl era. So I don't know if I'm going to make it like a signature part of me, but I think I'm exploring it and I'm loving it. Like just the perfect length, I think you guys can see, like just the perfect length. Like it's just perfect for me. Like it's easy for me to like work on my laptop without any disturbance or anything. So guys, that's just it. So let me quickly do some sort of skincare, apply vitamin C serum on my face, then get dressed, like something really simple, just a jean and top. Then I'll take you guys along. Okay. For the record, guys, please ignore my hair. So there's a video up already which I scheduled to premiere on the, I think, last day of March or something. This is March 8th, like I said. So by March 30th or so, you're going to get the vlog on how I got my hair locked. So this is it. I have micro locks installed and I've not had a retie in, last time I had a retie was in December, and this is March. I've not had a retie like in 3 months, and that's because I've been really busy with moving, trying to get a new apartment. Guys, it was a lot, which is I'm going to basically sit down and do a proper story time to tell you guys how hectic my life has been, because I had so many plans for the year 2024 and like how the trajectory and how I want my life to go. But at this point I'm just winging it, taking it today as it comes, and still trying to still achieve the goals I set out for myself during this year 2024. So that's just been it. So you see this vlog, I don't know how it's going to be, but take it how you see it. That's all I have to say. Okay guys, I'm dressed now. This bag basically contains my essentials, my sunscreen, my skincare, my bath gel, which I call the clean and clear container, and just some like my chargers. And yeah, so because I'm not going to come home tonight, I'm basically going to come home tomorrow morning. Today is a Friday, so my event is on a Saturday and it's going to run into the early hours of Sunday morning. So I'll be back home till the early hours of Sunday morning, most probably. So that's why I have to pack. So there's definitely a hotel room booked for staff members. So yeah, so everything, I'm going to put everything into this my tote bag, and yeah, I'm going to go in there and I just carry like a change of clothes that I would wear during the event. And that's what I'm packing, guys. And so this is what I'm going for. So whenever things get really tough, this is my go-to guy. And I just do this. Pop on some lip color or some lip gloss. What's this? I do this. Push my hair to the back. Then my locks fall out, so it doesn't look like I have no hair on them. This is the work. So I'm adding a necklace to just, gosh, one challenge I actually have is the difficulty in putting on a necklace when I have nails on. No matter how short, I'm just not that girl that can maneuver situations with nails on. But I'll always give it a try. Oh, this is perfect. It worked fast at this time. There are days where I can be on the screen for quite a while and it will not work, but I'm glad it worked. So we are almost there. So I just need to like do my final check-ins, pack my bags, like finally check that I carried everything I need to carry. And that's it guys, I am done. So for my bag, I'm carrying this cute bag. This is gonna be my bag. Even though I don't have any B in my name, there's no B in my name. I think I also wanted a B in my surname. But I don't know why I chose this. I bought this bag online from one online vendor and I like how sturdy it is. It's kind of girly and whatnot. So this is what I'm pairing with my jeans, my top, my slippers I just showed you guys, and the bag. I know I'm sweaty. Don't ask me why my neck is shining. You know I'm sweaty. Then I'll be adding my sunglasses. So for my sunglasses, I have an option of wearing this or wearing this. Even though it's evening, but yeah, I just feel like I don't like people seeing my eyes. So this is what this looks like on this fit. And this is what this looks like. Guys, let me know in the comment section which I should wear. But before you see this, by the time you see this video, I will already picked. And can you guess? I just wanted to guess which one I eventually wore in the comment section. And if you are right, you'll see it in the next few minutes. Okay. And I'm done, ready to step out.
Trust your belly, baby. You are going on my YouTube channel. Just know that. So, guys, I didn't get to show you my toenails. These are my toenails. They look cute. So I have like red nails and I have red toenails too. Yeah. So I don't think I'm going to be in a voiceover in this video, because I want the editing process to be easy. So I'm just going to have like bits and clips of videos of me talking. So this is like one of them. So this is like set up from afar. So we have the stage already set up. We have lighting. We have scaffolding. Screen will go up in a bit. I have to zoom in. Screen will go up in a bit, then eventually other elements will follow. So just wait for the before and the after transformation of this space. Like, look out for this. Look at the space. Look at the space. So we have over here we have some sponsors banner. You should be familiar with this logo if you know this logo. Then we have people working in space, and we have certain setup. That's another sponsor. I just try to get a copyright clip for this. So yeah, that's just going to be it, guys. So I can't wait to show you the before and after when all the lights are on, the screen is on, everything is done. It is magnificent, guys. Trust me, it is a beauty to behold. So it's about today is the 9th of March. This is past midnight. And setup has been on that way for a couple of hours. Everybody's working hard, and I'm really glad on how far we've progressed, because as opposed to other nights where maybe by this time, this is about like 25 minutes past 12 a.m. in the morning, because our other times maybe at this point we are just even starting, but now I would say we have roughly 3 to 4 hours to the end of the setup that everything will be done fully. So that's just it, guys. I'm putting my fingers crossed, hoping for the best. You can hear a lot of background noise because people are working and trying to get their jobs done and everything in between. So that's just it. Keeping my fingers across. And I can actually not wait to show you people the finished look of this space when we are done, and when all the lights is on. It is a wonder. Hi guys, so this is raw unfiltered me at about 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm feeling so sleepy. Setup is not done yet, but oh shoot. Okay, so power was interrupted. So this is setup is not done yet. Setup is about 70% done now, and we're getting ready and we're almost there. But I needed to rest, so I just got to my hotel room now, and I'm thinking, let me just give you people a tour. Honestly, even though I'm not a newbie to content creation, like, see, with every content you see on YouTube, that's why it's very important for you to like engage, like, comment, share, because it takes so much for a creator to put out a particular video or any kind of content, and the engagement maybe is really low because people don't really like the content or something. Like, see, for the records, even though you don't like the content, just even though you don't watch to the end, just like it, because really it's really like go a long way and like encourage them to keep making like better content, because it is not easy filming while you are functioning, because as you're functioning you have to have all your wits about you, and you still have to be filming. It's a lot. It's extreme sport, honestly guys, I'm not even gonna lie. But then again, just trying to like keep it together. So I'll give you guys a quick room tour of my hotel room, then I'll call it a night and I'll carry you guys along from the morning again. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, this is my room. It's quite large. I was not expecting it to be this large. It's quite large. So here is the bed. Then there is a sitting area. I've forgotten what this is called. I'm so tired. My vocabulary has even failed me. I've forgotten what this is called. Then we have this table. We have this long stretch. There is coffee. There is tea. There is water, and there's a kettle for boiling water if you want to boil water. Then okay, those are like my stuff, my personal belongings. Then there's a chair for you to sit, relax and work if you want, like a workspace. So there's like a mini workspace here. Then there is this huge mirror. Oh, there's this huge mirror. Then there is this double seater chair, and this design pop illusion wall thingy that's there. But guys, guess what, my favorite part of this room is the bathroom. So there's like a very awesome view of the bathroom from the room. Like, this is the best part of this room for me. I love it. So let's go inside. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh, I'm sorry you're seeing trash for the first time. So this is the shower. There's a shower here. This is the shower. It's quite sophisticated. It's really nice. Then you have the sliding door. Then you have the mirror again. I like the fact that there are so many mirrors. Guys, it has so many mirrors. That's what I like about it. And it's like it has a view. That's the room. So basically you can see your room from the bathroom and the bathroom from the room. Then the toilet is in a separate store. So this is it. It's in a separate store. The bathroom is in the other store. You can see the signage that points to how you can actually open the door and whatnot. Then we have some shower essentials here. We have I think this is shampoo, this is body lotion, and this is just this, and this is a bath gel. Then for people that like bath soaps, this is like the bath soap. So guys, the light keeps going off. I don't know why. Probably they had any changeover or something. So let me just quickly rush through the bathroom. So we have towels here. We have two towels. Then we have a bathtub. We have a bathtub here, and on that towel here too. So guys, that's just it, and the almighty view of the room. So guys, that's it for the tour of my room.
I will be staying in. So basically, guys, tomorrow morning I'll carry you. Okay, it's morning already, so by once it's daylight, I will carry you along um for what is next. That's actually messed up because I forgot to bring change of clothes to wear in the morning. I only brought clothes to wear for the event, and I don't know I'm going to make that work, but I think most likely I might have to wear this again tomorrow morning. So I just have to like air it out like for the next 2 3 hours so I can catch some sleep. Then we'll pick it up from there tomorrow. So guys, that's it. Ignore my jean and my whatnots. Like it's been a long day. It's been a really, really long day, so you're not gonna fault me. See my hair looking funny, but then again, it is what it is. It is what it is. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the morning. Bye.
Guys, can you believe the magic we made? Can you see all this beautiful laser lighting? Can you see the set design for this event? It was magnificent. Trust me when I say my company does it best and better than anybody in Lagos. The experience was out of this world, honestly. Trust me. So this is basically an EDM event where EDM DJs come together to like deliver really sweet sounds. This is my colleague Bukumi. He's usually the stage manager. He was having the time of his life. And this is a clips of the audience. And here is me. I was tired. I was really exhausted at this point. I'd taken off my wig. This is Ayo, my colleague. And then at the end of the show, my colleagues and I all got on stage and we're just having fun and celebrating the success of our event. It was really fun. This is Victor and Maxwell dancing and having the time of their life. So guys, that's it. Catch you next time. Bye.